Hello, we are robotics students at Armeria Escola, and in this video we are going to propose you an improvement plan for your workshop. We have analyzed the answers of the survey we sent you, and we consider that you do several things right.
You minimize waste using computers and avoid using paper. You classify the waste in different containers: organic, residual, metal and paper. You try to buy things made of plastic as less as possible.
There are no dangerous greenhouse gases in your workshop, like chlorofluorocarbons. You use public transport, and if you use your own car, make sure it is a low CO2 emission car. You care about the future, prioritizing regenerative resources and designing for the future.
You are aware that each one of you has personal responsibility in your workshop. But also have seen some weaknesses that you could improve. Here you have 5 tips for that.
Motivate people to use more ecological material in order to feel better about ourselves. All the material used could be recyclable, as far as possible.
3. Use energy when it is strictly necessary. Try not to generate so many carbon dioxide gases, replacing them with gases that are not so harmful, like water vapor.
Implement corporate social responsibility strategy in your workshop because it has a lot of benefit for the company. We hope that these tips will make your workshop more sustainable.